Hi friends, I have a funny 10 years old toy. Look at its face, blue cap, yellow shoes, brown dress and a devilish smile. This is a wind up toy. It means no batteries needed. You just have to turn the key and it will walk with funny sound. Let's start. First I will turn the key and keep it down. Watch it. It's amazing, right? It's simple, very simple but entertaining, especially for kids. Can you believe it? It still works after 10 years. I am really shocking. It's 10 years old toys. Thank you for watching, and in next video I will show you a small yellow fellow who loves bananas. Let's wait.